Hello, and welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing the many benefits of using content marketing as a part of your overall marketing strategy. So, what are the benefits of content marketing? Let's take a look at a few of the most significant advantages. Firstly, content marketing allows you to increase awareness of your brand among your target audience by consistently creating and sharing valuable content. According to a study by the Content Marketing Institute, organizations that use content marketing are able to increase brand awareness by up to 50%. Another benefit of content marketing is that by creating high-quality and relevant content, you can improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find your business online. A study by Moz found that businesses that regularly publish blog posts see a 434% increase in index pages and a 97% increase in inbound links, both of which contribute to improved search engine rankings. One of the powerful benefits of content marketing is greater customer engagement and retention. By providing valuable content that meets the needs and interests of your target audience can increase engagement and encourage customers to keep coming back for more. The Content Marketing Institute found that organizations that use content marketing see an increase in customer loyalty of up to 58%. Another one is increased website traffic and lead generation. By creating content that is valuable and shareable, you can drive more traffic to your website and generate more leads. The Content Marketing Institute found that organizations that use content marketing see a 3x increase in leads compared to those that do not. Improved sales is one of the most important things you can do by content marketing. By providing valuable content that helps customers make informed purchasing decisions can increase sales. Demand Metric found that businesses that use content marketing see an average of 6.9% increase in sales compared to those that do not. Finally, cost effectiveness. Content marketing can be a more cost-effective way to reach and engage with customers compared to traditional advertising methods. The Content Marketing Institute found that businesses that use content marketing have a cost per lead that is 62% lower than those that do not. Let's look at a couple of real-life examples of successful content marketing campaigns to see how these benefits can be achieved in practice. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a well-known brand that has consistently used content marketing to increase brand awareness and engagement. One of their most successful campaigns was the Share a Coke campaign, where they printed popular names on their bottle labels and encouraged customers to share pictures on social media. This campaign generated over 400,000 social media mentions and led to a 2% increase in sales. Another case study is Red Bull. Red Bull is a company that is known for its high-energy drinks and its association with extreme sports. They have consistently used content marketing to build brand awareness and engage with their target audience. One of their most successful campaigns was the Red Bull Stratos project, where they sent a man to the stratosphere in a space capsule. This campaign generated over 52 million views on YouTube and helped increase brand awareness and sales. In conclusion, content marketing can have a significant impact on a business's bottom line. The key to successful content marketing is to focus on creating value for your audience and building a relationship with them. By consistently providing valuable and relevant content, you can increase brand awareness, improve search engine rankings, increase customer engagement and retention, drive website traffic and lead generation, and ultimately improve sales. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the role of content in the customer journey and the different types of content and their uses.